Okay, Dickies coveralls. Women's, specifically women's, part of our Ghostbuster outfits. 2 buttons, zipper. This purchase on Amazon. This is coveralls come in several different colors. Great quality. I'm probably going to reuse this. What else? Patches from Amazon as well. And this is from a safety vest. You cut pieces off. Also on Amazon. And what else? Timberland boots on Amazon. And goggles. There you go. This is part of the safety vest. This is our proton pack, homemade. And lights, LED lights. Box covered in tape. Electrical tape. Yes, ghost catcher. Legos. A wheel from my son's car. More, some type of electrical tape. I don't know, it's the best tape ever though. This is pipe for the handle. You just taped it on. And there's our ghost catcher. One last thing is our proton pack. DIY proton pack. All items on Amazon. There you go. They love to ruin my videos. And what else? Let's see. This is a box from the post office. So black spray paint, items, containers. Got a couple of stickers. One of those as well. And most of it's just handmade. Ribbon, leftover toys, a ton of glue, and stickers, tops, lids. Anyway, here's the lights. LED lights, Christmas lights. There's one other light down here. There you go. That's that one. And then of course, used a hook so I can hook on the gun. And this is our gun. There you go. All handmade. By yours truly. Sorry about all the background music and the sound. It's Mom's knife.